In public service is under fire this morning over a push for gender-neutral language, which critics have called political correctness gone mad. Today, Melbourne reporter Christina Hearn joins us now. Chris, take us through it.
Well, Carl, this campaign is called They Day, and it's all about a push to replace he, she, him and her with gender-neutral pronouns they and them. The focal point of this campaign is a video which has been uploaded to YouTube. It does feature staff from several state government departments. It was filmed in a government office and produced on behalf of the Victorian Department of Health and Human Services Pride Network. It has been criticised by sections of the community, including the Australian Christian lobby, who have slammed it as a waste of taxpayer money and also gender-bending nonsense. But LGBTI groups have hit back, saying anyone criticising is transphobic. Let's have a look at part of this video now.
What I love is that I think gender-neutral pronouns best reflect my gender identity.
I feel happy when people refer to me as they, because it feels true to myself.
The Department of Health and Human Services says that the Pride Network did not receive government funding for the video and it was not compulsory to take part. Carl.
Let us know what you think about that one at home. Christine, thank you.